Hello my friends, Alena from Intense Memories. I'd like to share my new album I just finished right now, and album have name the Provence Weekend, and paper I use is from Karolina Bukowska. It's just unbelievable, wordless design on this paper. So look at that beautiful landscape. That spine is like that, and back is here, and I can slide something. And again, I have to tell the basic. I made like Olga Bielská made tutorial that is exactly her measurement, because the album which I put on YouTube yesterday is a little bit bigger, but that is exactly her measurement, and it's 15.5 by 15 and 6 millimeter. And let's see what is inside. And I have to tell that lavender make me crazy. So I go to my neighbor, and from garden she gave me that lavender. Okay, okie dokie. It smells lavender, and when I open, so for first open, I am thinking it's a home, and door into the home, and here is the card where we can put photo, and I can open more. So I try to do everything play together. So we are home, and when I open this, I fussy cut this frame, and we can slide photos behind. Here I make a little pocket, and it's really sweet home with a lot of books, lamp, and armchair, and smell this lavender. Okay, and aside is that pocket, and I add this card. So when I closed, I can put flap down, and into that down is our door, and when I open this door, it's 1, 2, 3 pockets for photo mats, just paper from collection, and here are cards for make some journal. Oops. Okay, can go into. Okay, so we can close. I just fussy cut that butterfly and glue him to enjoy that garden. Now I want to show you the middle. On the middle, I have that closure, and when I open, is little waterfall for 2, 4, 5 cards. We can close that like that. And when I put down, okay, camera can catch, I have here again some closure, when I open, we have some bell for photo or card, because it can be 9 by 13 photos. And when I open, it's 2 frames where we can slide photo. I fussy cut that frame are from mint ice, and I just add acetate, so behind that we can put photos. And that is funny closure when I slide that inside, and it's magnet there, so I can close. Now I move this here. Here we have again frames from mint ice for, okay, let's go for photos, and it's flap, and when I open that flaps, I get 2 possibility for 7 photos. It's like that, like that, like that. 1, 2, 4, 6, and 7. But I want to that lady on the top, maybe like that. Okay, and here is similar. So 1, 2, and 3. We can slide photo also here. And what I really, really love is when I open, here I have 3D envelopes. So can go inside 9 by 13 photos. And when I open that, look at that unbelievable view. I just love it. Okay, it's pocket here, but I think it's shame to hide them, but yes, can be. And also is pocket here. Oops. So it's photo mat here. We can close that. Then we close this, and then this, and then that. Did I show you here? No. Okay, so also here are 2 possibilities for photos. Photo mats are here. So it's a lot of place for photos, but design is speechless. It's beautiful. So then we close like that and that, and I put bowl here, and thank you very much to visit my channel. Hope I inspire you. It's just unbelievable nice. Thank you very much, and see you on next video. Bye bye, guys.